All right, what do you think we're going to need to do to find the equation of this line?
Well, so I see a way we could possibly find this point. And then we could use, because we would have 2 points, we could find the equation.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. How would you find this point?
So I would draw this line in here. And then use law of cosines a couple of times. Because we can use law of cosines for this triangle to find what this length is.
Okay.
We know this is 50. And since these lengths are the same, we could use law of cosines again for this triangle.
Oh.
Find out what the lengths are.
Okay, hey, that's a very creative way to do it. Any way you do it here, the calculations are going to be a bit of a nightmare.
Mm-hmm.
That's actually clever. I hadn't thought of doing it that way. So you could find the length in this triangle using the law of cosines. 1 squared. So this squared, x squared equals 1 squared plus 1 squared minus 2 cosine 40.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So
And then you could do y squared. So then whatever that length is, squared equals y squared plus y squared minus 2 cosine 50.
Mm-hmm.
You find the length. Then you can find that point. Find that equation. Okay, good. It's nice. I don't want to go through those calculations.
All right.
But that's a nice approach. Do you have any other approaches?
That's all I can really think of now, because this 135-degree angle coming off of a 40-degree angle, it's kind of hard to see what to do, because that's not something that I know how to deal with.
Well, actually it is something you know how to deal with. So if we extend this line this way, we know this is 135.
Mm-hmm.
So what's this angle here?
So that's a 45-degree angle.
Now if I draw a parallel line, a line parallel to the x-axis here, what's this angle here?
That angle's 40.
So what angle is that?
That's 5.
5. So this is a line that's going down with a slope of 5 degrees. So what's the slope of this line?
It's going down with a slope of 5.
No, it's going down at an angle of 5 degrees. I may have misspoken before too. It's going down with at an angle of 5 degrees. So what's the slope?
How do you find the... So it's tangent of 5, or I guess negative tangent of 5.
Okay, minus tan of 5. Alright, so that's going down at a slope of 5 degrees. Tangent of the angle gives you the slope. In this case, the angle is minus 5. So you could say minus tan of 5 or tan of minus 5. Either way.
Mm-hmm.
And you know a point. So cosine 40, sine of 40. So what is the point slope formula tell you?
So it says y equals
No, points, not slope intercept, point slope.
Okay. So it's y minus sine 40
Y minus sine 40
equals minus tangent of 5 times x minus cosine 40.
Okay. Now, do you know what sine of 40 is?
Not really.
Do you know what tangent of 5 is?
Nope.
Do you know what cosine of 40 is?
Nope.
Do you know the equation of the line?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does it matter what these are?
No.
Yeah. This is the equation of that line. And that line intersects the line y equals x plus 1 at some point.
Mm-hmm.
And that's going to be that point. And once I would advise you to calculate that in Mathematica.
Yeah.
And not do it by hand. But once you calculate that point, then you can actually find this distance. And the triangles, as you can see from the picture, the triangles have legs. The right triangles have legs equal to that short side length.
So you have to know that distance.
So as soon as you know that distance, then you can go through exactly the same process. So if this distance, let's call it capital D, then I just need to make a right triangle exactly the same way, but in fact it's much easier now. I'll just go over to the point D0 and 0D. And then what is this line? What is the equation of this line in terms of D here?
So that's so you'd go change in y is negative d and change in x is positive d. So it's y equals minus x plus d.
Right. So then you have a very simple triangle. But you need to know what D is. In order to know what D is, you need to do the equations that we did before. That's pretty cool, huh?
Yep.
So that's how I made these. And that's how I made the triangles, and I'll print the triangles on them in a little bit. And tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow, we're going to print overnight, so we probably won't do it in the morning, but tomorrow when you get home from school, we'll see if we can make the two shapes from the book.
All right.
Pretty neat. High five.